A long time ago, in a smartphone scene much different from today's, you could tell Android and iOS apart from a distance. Nowadays, it's not quite as straightforward. Given the number of features and ideas, these two powerhouse mobile OS have borrowed from each other over the years. There are still some crucial differences between them though. So I'm here to talk about differences, and these are my top 6. Number 1 is default apps. It's been 10 years since the iPhone launched, and users still can't open the links in any other than Safari, or emails in anything other than Mail, or pictures in any other than Photos by default. Meanwhile, Android not only makes it possible to swap out your default browser, SMS client or anything else, it actually makes it easy to do so. Number 2 is continuity on iOS. Say what you will about Apple's bias towards its own software and hardware, but it certainly enables some very close integration between the devices and platforms that Google just can't touch at the moment. You can even copy and paste between your iPhone and your MacBook these days, as long as they are running the latest version of their OS. Number 3 is launcher apps. You can customize the interface on Android device down to the very last pixel thanks to native support for the launchers, while iOS users are still largely stuck with the same uniform rows and column of the icons that have been in place since very beginning. Number 4 is Spotlight on iOS. Google is the master operator when it comes to search, so it's surprised that Apple's iOS-wide Spotlight search is better than anything you can get on Android. Tap out a few keywords and you will get results on the web, in your contacts, from nearby location, in files on your phone and more. Google is getting slightly better at this, but it's not there yet. And indeed, Apple has a patent on universal search, which it made use in its lawsuit against Samsung, which might be the major reason Google lags behind. Number 5 is Smart Unlock on Android. A lock screen PIN code or a fingerprint lock is essential for any phone or for anyone interested in protecting their smartphone and shouldn't really be optional. But there may be times and places where you feel you would rather have the convenience over the extra security. This is one area where Android is way ahead of its rival. At last, until the next iPhone comes out after this iPhone 10, and I know how fast or slow Face ID is. Head into the security and smart lock section or settings on stock Android and you can have your PIN code disabled by particular place, a connection to a particular device, a trusted face and a trusted voice. Number 6 is iMessage on iOS. iMessage is not necessarily the favorite messaging app of every iPhone owner, but it's fair to say that it does an excellent job of syncing communication across all the Apple's products. Encryption is built in right into the app too, and it's gotten a lot more lively. For a long time, it seemed as though Google Hangout would be the answer, but that's now been shunted aside for Allo, which is mobile only for now, doesn't support SMS messages, and doesn't turn on end-to-end encryption by default. Allo has potential, but that's about all it has at the moment, and Android can use its own iMessage sooner rather than later. So that was it for this one. What do you think about this? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.